I'm going to show you how to make a scatter plot in JMP software. Here's our data set. This data set comes from a table that gives the cost and overall quality rating for 10 different brands of men's athletic shoes. To get the scatter plot, just open up your graph builder window. Going to grab the cost and drag that down to the X variable and drag the rating and over to the Y variable. I want to uncheck this graph so that curve's not overlaid over that. So there's my scatter plot. A couple of things you might be interested in doing is making your marker size a little bit bigger. To do that, just right click in the legend where it says rating, and under marker size I'm going to just change this to extra large markers, or you could even change them to extra large markers. You can obviously change the coloring of your marks. You may be interested also in changing the font. So right click on the font, right click on the x-axis label, and that brings up this text box here. If you click on font, you may be interested in pasting this into your Word document. One way to get that done is to just come up here and click on File, Save As. Change the file type to an image file type, a PNG or a JPEG, then click on Save. Once I do that, it brings up the saved image, and it looks like that's what it looks like. I'm going to go ahead and crop that. So this is looks like the new version of Photos, I guess, Microsoft. And I'm going to save a copy here. So there you have it. That's how easy it is to use JMP to get a scatter plot.